My dear students, today we will be discuss about the effect of dielectric substance on the capacitance of capacitor. In this case, we have studied about the effect of capacitance of a capacitor when a dielectric substance or dielectric slab held between two plate of the parallel plate capacitor. मीन्स कि अगर किसी पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर्स के प्लेटों के बीच अगर कोई डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम रख दिया जाए तो इसके कैपेसिटेंस पर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. वी हैड स्टडी अबाउट द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर एंड स्फेरिकल कैपेसिटर इन दिस चैप्टर. Let a parallel plate capacitor of distance between two plates is small d and A is the cross-sectional area of the each plate. A dielectric slab of thickness small t and dielectric constant K held between two plates of capacitor. The distance in d minus t are gapping between two plate of capacitor d minus t in present air or space. कि ये d minus t की जो गैपिंग होगी उसमें एयर या स्पेस प्रेजेंट होगा और t जो है डिस्टेंस में डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम है. तो कि इन डिस्टेंस d माइनस टी प्रेजेंट एयर आर स्पेस. तो वी फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सेट अप बिटवीन टू प्लेट इन स्पेस. द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सेट अप between two plate in space or air. E0 is equal to small sigma upon epsilon naught into A, where small sigma is the surface density of charge. We know small sigma is equal to Q by A. Q by A. E naught is equal to Q by A into epsilon naught. The electric potential between two plate in space or air. V naught is equal to E into d minus t. We know E is equal to V upon d minus t. The electric field set up in dielectric medium of thickness small t. E is equal to small sigma upon k into epsilon naught, or E is equal to q upon k into a into epsilon naught, where small sigma is equal to q by a. The electric potential in the electric medium V is equal to E into T is equal to Q upon K into A into epsilon naught into T. Net potential between two plate V dash is equal to V naught plus V, or V is equal to Q by A into epsilon naught into D minus T into a plus Q upon K into A into epsilon naught into T. The capacitance of capacitor C is equal to Q by V. You know, C is equal to Q by V, or C is equal to Q upon Q by A into epsilon naught, comma D minus T up plus T by K. Q से Q कैंसिल हो जाएगा, और C इज इक्वल टू A into epsilon naught upon D minus T up plus T by K. It is the capacitance of capacitor when a dielectric slab or dielectric medium held between two plates of capacitor. C is equal to A into epsilon naught upon D minus T plus T by K. Special cases: assume the n dielectric slab of thickness T1, T2, Tn and dielectric constant K1, K2, Kn held between two plates of capacitors. Okay. When the end dielectric slabs of thickness small T1, T2, Tn and dielectric constant is K1, K2, Kn held between two plates of the capacitor, then the capacitance of capacitor C is equal to A into epsilon naught upon D minus T1 plus T2 plus Tn plus T1 upon K1 plus T2 by K2 plus Tn by Kn. D minus T1 plus T2 plus Tn plus T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 plus dot 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 Tn by Kn. अब if second if the parallel plate capacitor, if the distance between parallel plate capacitor completely filled by dielectric slab. Then T1 plus T2 plus dot 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 Tn is equal to D, or C is equal to A into epsilon naught upon D minus T1 plus T2 plus dot 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 Tn plus T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 plus dot 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 Tn by Kn. T1 plus T2 plus dot dot Tn is equal to D, D minus D is equal to 0, or C is equal to A into epsilon naught upon D by K, or C is equal to K into A epsilon naught upon D, where K1 plus K2 plus dot 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 Kn is equal to K.